Hi, this is Shibala. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you like me cooking. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn notifications on to get the updates. Thank you, enjoy and happy cooking.
Are you missing the street food? Worry not, we are going to do a very yummy simple recipe, the bread omelette sandwich. Come, let's see it.
We are going to cook the most famous street food, double cheese bread omelette. Please make a note of the ingredients. Fine chopped onions, green chilli, ginger, curry leaves, fresh coriander, eggs and bread slices. Let's start making the omelette. I've taken a dollop of butter and applying it fully onto the pan. I'm going to sprinkle some fine chopped onions so that the butter flavor is totally absorbed by the onions. Next I'm adding the ginger, then green chilies, curry leaves and fresh coriander. Now time to pour the whipped egg. Egg has got salt, black pepper and little bit of green chilies. I'm pouring it onto the pan and covering it fully. The ends of the bread slice is cut and I am putting it in one side and flipping it to the other side. Now time to add the cheese slice. I'm going to also add some grated cheese. That's why I said it's double cheese omelette, a famous street food. Release the sides and cover the bread. Flip it now. You have made it into a nice parcel. Time to melt the cheese. So I'm going to close it with a lid. Few minutes and then you can open it. The cheese would have perfectly melted. We can cut it. A double cheese omelette is ready. We'll drizzle some tomato ketchup and serve it. You can cut it in the center and make it into a perfect triangle. I'm going to cut it and drizzle some tomato ketchup. See the way the cheese has got melted here. A yummy double cheese bread omelette is ready. It's melted here. So drizzle some ketchup on top. Now let's look at the vegetarian version. I've taken some Bengal gram flour. Similarly, I've added butter in the pan. Some onions. green chilli, ginger, curry leaves and coriander. What I've done is, I've taken the Bengal gram flour, I've added salt and carom seeds, the ajwain, the omam. I'm pouring it. You need to cook it for a while. Unlike the egg, it has to cook for a while and it will be little dense. So add some oil. Close it and add the bread, and one slice is enough because it's going to be little thicker. I'm adding the cheese, closing it on all the sides. I'm going to flip it. A slight change in the cooking method, you can make a note of it. We have cooked the Bengal gram flour first because it's a little dense. Then we are adding the bread slice. This also will be very tasty and we can call this a vegan egg omelette. Similarly, the cheese has got melted. Let's drizzle some tomato ketchup and serve it. I hope you would love this recipe. Until we meet again, stay connected and you can always follow me in all the other social media. The links are given in the description. See you soon.